how's school going on for you?
Hi, school has been going good, but I'm worried about my case and what's going on with it. And what steps should I do?
Okay, don't worry. Tell me what's wrong, whatever you have to say, and I'll be here to help and guide you.
And that having following me and watching me and messaging me some sexual messages from a number which I don't know. I went to my parents, went to the police station and filed a complaint, and an FIR has been registered. The police told me that they will arrange an advocate for me and he will make sure that my rights are protected as I'm not child.
Okay, so the complaint of sexual harassment under Section 11 of the POCSO Act. Now, what does POCSO mean? It is the protection of children from sexual offences and protects all children that is below the age of 18. And now, following this, the next step for you is to produce evidence like what is happening, where it is taking place before a special court. Now, all of this, there is a particular procedure for recording the evidence of child under the POCSO Act.
But now I'm anxious and scared. I don't know anything about what to do and I don't know about the procedures. Can you tell me about it? I'm very scared to go to the court. What if they don't understand what I'm saying?
Tina, thank you for sharing with me what is happening to you. Don't worry, I'm ready to help you. Now, I, being a counsellor, will help ease your worries and lower your stress. Firstly, you should know that you should not worry, as also your well-being and your safety is the top priority, and a child-friendly procedure will be carried out. And this procedure shall be also conducted by a trained professional that will understand it.
I'm very happy to hear that there will be a child-friendly environment, so I will be very comfortable.
So don't worry, the setting will be non-threatening and it will be made sure that you are safe. Also, a very simple language will be used so that you understand and you know what to expect. And if you feel uncomfortable, you can even ask for breaks.
Can I take my problems to somebody else with me?
Yes, surely.
If they ask me questions, once I tell them what happened to me,
yes, they will ask you questions, but don't worry, the questions will not be complicated, they will be very easy. And if you don't know the question, you can simply tell them that you don't know.
what about my name? I don't know others will know about it.
Don't worry, your identity will not be revealed at any time during the trial.
What should I say in the court?
So you tell the court exactly the same way what you have shared with me and what has happened to you. You mention like when you have written these messages, for how long it's been going on, what time you receive such messages, or whose phone you been getting such messages, all this. Also make sure that you tell the truth and you must not lie to court.
What if I forget to say some things?
So you take your time to think and then you answer. No need to rush. If you don't know, you tell them that you don't know. You can always ask the assistant public prosecutor to help you in case you forget. Then she will ask you to tell all of the details that you have missed which you have not told them before. Also, Section 35 of the POCSO Act mentions that within 30 days of taking cognizance of this offence, your evidence shall be recorded. And within 1 year of the special court taking cognizance of this offence, the special court shall complete your trial.
Okay, but I don't want to see the accused again in the court because this incident has affected me emotionally and mentally.
Yeah, not to worry, as a special court to make sure that you are not exposed to the accused at any time when you give your statement. Section 36 of the POCSO Act says that at the same time you give your statement, the accused will be able to hear what you say and communicate the same with his advocate. Now, recording of your evidence can be done by video conferencing. The video conferencing is whatever you say will be recorded by a video. Also, visibility mirrors can also be used. Now, visibility mirrors are basically a mirror wherein you won't be able to see the accused, but he will be on the other side and you will be able to hear what you have to say. Or even curtains may be used.
But I can cover so many people. I don't want to see so many people when I'm getting my statement.
So there is something called as trials in camera where the special court shall try cases in private, that is in camera, and that is away from the public setting and away from the media persons. Now the persons that shall be in the courtroom will be the judge, the legal representatives of both parties, your family members or guardians. That is only the presence of your family member or anyone else who you have trusted. Everyone else will have to get out of the courtroom. So in this way, your privacy and your personal details shall be restricted. Lastly, Section 30 of the POCSO Act says that the court, if necessary, might take assistance from an interpreter or a translator who has certain qualifications and expertise while recording your evidence.
But what if I see the image again outside the court? Or what if the message is continuing?
Also, when the case is going on, the accused will be forced to act on guard. Okay? But if he continues to send these messages or if you see him outside of court, you inform me and I will inform your advocate and action will be taken against him.
Thank you so much for briefly explaining me about the POCSO Act. Now I feel very confident to give my statement to the court.
Don't worry, you can come to me anytime whenever you want.